Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at how to build out a web application inside Python which actually converts multiple images into PDF document. So we will be using for this purpose the Pillow library, Pillow library, which is an open source Python library for converting images into PDF. So this is actually this web application which is running on this port number, which is 8501. So if I open this application by visiting localhost 8501, so this is actually the application where we allow the user to drag and drop images. So simply the user will select JPG or PNG images. So I selected these four images and there is a button called convert to PDF. So if I click this button, you will see this download PDF button appears. If I click this button, now if you open this PDF document, you will see four images have been successfully converted into PDF document. This is the first image, the second image, the third image, the fourth image. So each image takes the full width and the height of the image, and it has been converted to PDF. So we will be making this application, and for building this we are using Streamlit. Streamlit is a very easy solution to build web applications inside Python, and it's an open source solution, and it's a faster way of building web applications inside Python. It has pre-made components that basically helps you to get started while building web applications. So we will be using this. So now to install this, it's very easy. You just need to say pip install streamlit, streamlit. This is actually the name of the package. And simply install this. I've already installed it. And also you do need to install the Pillow library, Pillow. So it's an image processing library. So also install this also. So now to get started, I will create a Python file, and first of all we'll import Streamlit library by the import statement streamlit as st, and then from the Pillow library pil we need to import the image module, and from this input output built-in module in Python we need to import bytes io. So these three packages we have imported. The first is the Streamlit package for building the web application, then the Pillow library. We are importing the image class, which is used to convert image to PDF, and then the third is input output. And now here we need to simply give the title, and this object st, which is actually the Streamlit, it contains a title method which is used to set the title of the application. So we will simply say convert multiple images to PDF, and then here we will actually write an instruction to the user. So by the write method we will simply say upload multiple images to convert them to PDF, to a single PDF. So if you want to run this application now, you will simply run this command streamlit run. This is a command streamlit run and followed by the name of the file. So it is actually images to pdf.py. So whatever is your file name, you will give this file name and enter. So it will start your application instantly, and it will give you this heading, convert multiple images to PDF. So whatever is the actual title, and that we have written a small little description. So after that we need to allow the user to simply select the images. So for that, Streamlit has a built-in component where we will allow the user to simply select images. So you will simply give it a title, choose images, and the second argument is the type. So which images types you will allow. So for this I will allow JPG, PNG, JPEG. So essentially we're allowing the user to upload JPG and PNG images, and the third argument is the accept multiple files. So this means that the user can upload multiple images at once. This is a third parameter, which is a Boolean parameter. it is set to true, so the user can select multiple images. So this is actually the extensions which are allowed, JPG and PNG. So if you reload, you will see a pre-built component, drag and drop component, where you can click this and drag and drop your multiple images. So you don't need to code this from scratch. Streamlit comes with this pre-built component. That's the advantage of using Streamlit. You don't need to code from scratch. You can use these pre-built components in order to develop fast. So after we do this, now we'll compare if condition. So after the user selects images, we will have this if condition st.button, and here we'll be having this button. If you see, we are simply comparing it. If this button exists, convert to PDF. If the user clicks this button, in that case this condition will evaluate for true, and in that case we will simply again have this if condition. If the files have been successfully selected, in that case we need to process that. So first of all, what we need to do after we do this, after the user has selected the images, we need to create a new array, images array, which will be empty by default, and we will loop through each image using this for loop, uploaded files, and for each image we need to convert image to RGB. So for doing this, we will first of all open this image by using the image class, and it does contain a method which is open, which will open this image, and here we need to provide the name of the file, which is uploaded file, and then we need to convert this image into RGB. For doing this, we will say if image.mode is not equal to RGB, then in that case we need to use the convert method, and here we need to specify RGB, which is red, green, true, and then after converting that we need to append this into that newly created array that we created early on. So we will use this append method to add this image into this array. So this was the array that we created earlier, so we are using this append method to actually add this image. So after we do this, we now need to create a PDF document. So this needs to appear outside this for loop. So this is actually a for loop, and this need to be outside. So the indentation is quite important inside Python. So here now we need to create a PDF document from these images. So we'll be creating a new variable PDF buffer, and you'll be using this bytes input output. You can see we have imported this early on. This is the class that we are using, and then we will simply say images 0, save, and we pass this PDF buffer. And here you need to specify the format, so it will be a PDF document, so it will be PDF. And this is the third property, it takes save all, and because we need to export all the images into PDF, so this needs to be true, this third parameter. And the fourth one is append images. So this means that if you want to save all the images into a single PDF, this needs to be images 1 colon. So after we do this, we need to say PDF buffer dot seek 0. So this means that move to the first page whenever user opens the PDF document. So just show the first page and then the second, third as it is. And also we need to also show a download button to the user, so that the user can download the PDF document. For doing this, we have this download button method available inside Streamlit, to automatically show a download button, and the label will be download PDF, and the data will be the actual PDF document. So this needs to be PDF buffer. And the third parameter, you need to give the file name. So here the file name will be output.pdf. And also the fourth parameter here you need to provide is the mem type. So mem is equal to, for PDF documents we have this application/PDF. So this you need to provide. So this takes four arguments. First is the actual label of the button. The second is the actual file that you are downloading. The third one is the file name, and the fourth one is the mem type. So this download button takes these four arguments. So if you refresh now, hopefully your application now, if you select multiple images, let's suppose if I select these four images and click on this convert to PDF button, so it is saying that the download button got an unexpected keyword argument file name. Let me see. Sorry, this needs to be file underscore name. File underscore name. This was the error. So just make this slight modification and refresh it. And again, select these four images. Click on convert to PDF. And now you will see as soon as you click the convert to PDF, there will be this download PDF button will appear. And all your images now is converted. So simply download the PDF, and your PDF has been downloaded as an attachment. You will see all these four images have been successfully downloaded, exported to PDF document. So in this easy way, you can convert images into PDF using Pillow library inside Python, using Streamlit, which is a fast-paced solution to create web applications inside Python. So if you do need this source code, the link is given in the description of this video. So you can go there. And thank you very much for watching this video. And do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which is an open source website which contains thousands of tools related to audio, video, and image. So check out this website, and I will be seeing you in the next video.